check this out. Pretty nice. Different. Wow. We're in the middle of it.
Yeah.
This is a nice route.
Going down a 6% downgrade.
I-8. We haven't done this before.
No.
So we left Yuma and headed on I-10, trying to head back home actually. And while we were driving, we made a stop at a rest area there. And this particular rest area had this incredible bird, this Roadrunner, standing there. Really amazing. We couldn't believe it. We're like, what the hell is that? So this bird, this Roadrunner, was made by an artist called Olin Kalk, and it was made in 1993 from products recovered from a landfill, and it's really incredible, amazing. Initially, the Roadrunner stood by the landfill, and in 2001, Olin replaced it with new junk and put it on at the rest area by Interstate 10. And then the visitors, grabby visitors, kind of destroyed it partly. And in 2011, he took it back and remade it anew, and put it back in 2014, and has stood there since 2014. And the bird is huge. It's 20 feet tall and 40 feet long. Quite a bird, let me tell you. And it's really amazing. And the eyes are made from Volkswagen, from a Volkswagen lights. Wow, amazing, truly. And so in this area also there's an incredible view, a view that I've never seen at a rest area. It's a very well kept rest area, definitely deserving of notice. And beautiful bathrooms, and in the back there's a view of Las Cruces that spans for miles. It's incredible, truly amazing. So we were really happy that during our drive we stumbled upon this gem, and I hope you guys get to see it too. If you pass by there, it's worth stopping for sure. Keep it in mind.
See down into the valley. This is gorgeous all the way around, man. Here's a closer view of the valley down in Las Cruces, New Mexico. That's the Interstate I-10. And once again, we are on the eastbound side of Interstate I-10. Gorgeous place. One of the better rest locations that I've ever been to. There's a close.
On this day, we drove for many hours. We started in the late morning and we drove into the very late afternoon until the sun set. And on that night, the blood moon was going on, and we were driving, and I was desperately trying to film it through the windshield as we were bouncing around in the truck. And so, forgive the shots. Don't be too judgmental, but it was an incredible sight, and the red disappeared almost immediately.
Of rigs. Everywhere. There's rigs on. They're just everywhere. But we are located right now off of Interstate I-10 and the place called Fort Stockton. And we're at the Walmart parking lot. and we got here late. But guys, this place is jammed with RVs. I mean, look at all the rigs coming in here. All these rigs. And check out the Palazzo right there. He's even got his doggone satellite dish mounted. Got his generators. Well, he's boondocking, I guess, you know.
After spending the night at Walmart, we had another long day of driving and a reservation at a 10,000 Trails RV park,
Yeah.
where they pushed very hard for a sale. They wanted us to become members, and really the park was kind of run down and very expensive, considering what it was offering and the condition it was in. And so we thought about joining, and then we decided that no, it wasn't worth it because there aren't enough of them and they're really too expensive. Oh, it's a bit rough.
Yeah. This is Walking 1,000 Trails, Ranger Station. What do? Just go straight? Check-ins.
It's over,
Right over here?
Yeah, I think so. Come here, Annie. Okay, so we're here at Medina Lake. This is our spot. It's a little run down, but we got full hookups. It'll do. A little expensive for such a rundown place. No Wi-Fi, but at least we got full hookups. Yes, I wouldn't make it a habit of coming here, that's for sure. And I wouldn't pay the fee, even though it can be convenient. If they're all like this, I don't know if I would pay this kind of money for the membership. I don't know.
It's overgrown. A lot of the okay, I'm gonna back up, baby.
A lot of the what?
A lot of the trees are overhanging.
Yeah.
It hasn't been manicured or maintained.
The box here is falling apart. As well as the sewer thingy. Thank you for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate you, and we would love for you to make some comments. I had to go and help George. Bye.